Is the screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start doing first three questions and then do all the questions of this one. Then we will be able to know that which parts of your is have it means you are facing problem. Okay. You done the first three?
No, sir. 1 minute.
When you done, please let me know. I will scroll down. Okay.
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Do the next fourth one. Done.
No, sir. 1 minute. Done, sir.
Just a minute. Do the next one. Just a minute. Is it visible to you now? Fifth, six, seven.
Yes, sir.
Bulla, you there?
Alaikum.
Yeah, do 5, 6, 7 questions, okay? MCQs. Let's check how much you have prepared for the chemistry for this one, okay?
So this is for like chapter 2, right? Acids and bases.
No, it is metals and non-metals.
Oh, okay. This one is easy. So can you show from starting? Like question 1.
What are you saying?
Can you show from the start, like question 1?
No, actually, Madhya has done that one. So we will start from fifth.
Okay, sir, no
Join
problem.
late.
Okay, sir.
You done, Madhya? 5, 6, 7?
Sir, seventh one is left.
So can you scroll a bit down? So can you scroll down?
Yeah, why not? You done, Madhya? Up to 9?
Yes, sir.
So can you scroll down? So can you scroll down?
Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do this 15, 16, 17, 18.
So can you scroll down?
Done?
Yes, sir.
Madhya, you also?
Yes.
Do this 19, 20, 21.
Sir, so
Yes.
sir, for the 21st question, like the metal could be like for the answer like B and D both are correct options.
In which, in which?
Nitric the 21st question, nitric acid can dissolve gold and platinum both. So B and D both are
No,
correct.
wait, no, 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 no. Gold and silver and gold, not platinum.
It's written, I guess, in textbook.
Hmm?
I guess it's written in textbook. I'll check, but
Yeah, if it is written in the textbook, let it be, but you will give the preference to the gold. Okay, if only there one option is there, you need to choose. So you will give the preference to the gold. Okay,
okay, done.
gold and
Can
silver.
you scroll down?
Done.
Yes,
Madhya, you
sir.
also
Yes, sir. Done.
do 22, 23, 24, 25.
So can you scroll a little bit down? Hmm, okay, so how much is material? So, 12 material. 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 Okay. So can you scroll down?
Done, Madhya? 27? Up to 27?
Sir, can you show 26?
26.
Done, sir.
Done 27 also.
No, no.
You also?
So
Done
done.
again?
So done.
When you done, let me know, okay?
So done, sir.
Madhya is doing now.
Achha, okay, okay, sorry.
Done, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, follow.
Do this.
So, this question number 29, reaction between X and Y forms compound Z. So it will be like most probably ionic compound, right?
Yeah.
So ionic compound properties are like it has high melting point and okay. No, sorry. I had it out. So can you scroll down?
Done?
Yes, sir.
Done 31, 32, 30. Done 31 also?
No, yeah, 31 done, sir.
230, 233. You, Madhya, you have done all the previous one?
Yes, sir.
We will check it later. If you have not done anyone, then we will discuss it, okay?
So there is a spelling error in question number 33. Electrical wires have a coating of an insulting material.
Yeah, electrical wires have coatings on an insulation material used is PVC.
PVC, yes. So can you scroll down? So these are very easy questions. Sir, can you scroll a bit down?
Yeah.
Done, sir.
You also, Madhya, done all?
Yes, sir.
Is there anyone left out of 36 questions? Is there anyone left that you have not done and you want me to scroll that one on that one?
Sir, I had a doubt in 16th one and this 36th one.
Yeah, we will discuss this one. Okay. Yeah. Madhya, you done all?
Sir, 11 and 12.
11 and 12. Do it.
Sir,
I'm
silver and gold.
asking you the questions.
What, sir?
I'm not asking the answers. Let her do.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. So let's check how many of them are incorrect of yours. Okay, let's check your answers, please. Let's check your answer. Okay, and then let me know that how many of them are incorrect of yours. Mark the incorrect one. Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. You also, Madhya, done? Done this one? Checked all? You there, Madhya? Tell me done. Madhya?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
Why are you not responding? Okay. So how many of them are incorrect of yours? How many of them are incorrect of yours? Tell me. Yes. Abdullah, how many of yours are incorrect? Count it.
So first Madhya, then me.
Hmm?
So
What is
first
it?
Madhya will tell. So first Madhya will tell, then I will tell.
Why it is so?
So competition.
Arey, you have done five. She has started 5 questions earlier than you, okay? And you have not done
Yeah,
5.
still I'm confident. I got less probably.
Why you are comparing with her? I said it to you. Just tell me honestly. It's my order that how many of yours are incorrect.
Okay, I'll tell you. Question number 12, 23, and 36. Like I got 3 wrong, and in the 16th one, I have a doubt. Can you like just explain that one?
Okay, and you, Madhya?
Sir, my 5 were wrong.
Your 5 were
Sir, I
wrong.
told you.
Let it be. Not as saying to compare it. What if you are having 5 questions? Let's check. Okay, let's check
Okay.
that how much you have
First,
done. Okay,
first one is what do you say? C. Second one is what do
I'm
you
not
say?
asking.
There's
Not asking. Just wait a minute, Abdullah. Yeah, Madhya. Which one of yours are incorrect? Tell me.
Sir, fourth one, uh,
Okay,
27th,
let's check the fourth
and
one first. Which one of the
okay.
following metal do not react with cold as well as hot water? So those metals that do not react with cold and hot waters are the potassium,
iron.
sodium. Okay, these react with cold water, even with ice. Okay, then is calcium, and after the calcium, we have magnesium. These react with hot. This react with cold water. This react with hot water. Okay, and after this one, aluminium, zinc, iron react with steam. They react with steam. Okay. So do not react with cold water as well as hot water. So if these metals are there, so calcium can react with cold water. Okay. Iron react with steam. Okay. Got it? So D is the correct option.
Okay, sir.
Next one, 20,
27.
27. Which one of the following statements is incorrect for magnesium metals? Magnesium metals, incorrect it is asking. So magnesium metals, when burn in open air, yeah, it will gives you, when in magnesium burn in open air, it will gives you magnesium oxide, which with a, we can say that with a very, means a bright white light is produced. Okay, so it is correct. Okay, I'm just writing the correct one also. It react with cold water, magnesium react with hot water. So it is only the incorrect one. Okay. It react with cold water? No, it react with hot water. Hot water. It react with hot water? Yes. It react with the steam? Yes. If it is reacting with hot water, so it can also react with the steam. Okay. So B is the incorrect one. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Next.
33.
23.
33.
33. 33. Electrical PVC it is. Electrical wires have coating of insulation materials which generally use as PVC. Okay. Graphite is a good conductor and sulfur is a metal, but it is a powdery form. It does not means we don't coat it with it. Okay. PVC is used. Got it? Next.
Yes. 18.
18. Which among the following metal is obtained on electrolysis of chloride in molten state? Yeah, Na when sodium chloride is electrolyzed, okay, then it will give you Na solid plus chlorine gas. If there is no water, okay, molten metals we are taking. So Na will be obtained. Electrolysis in molten. Which of the following metals are obtained by electrolysis of their chloride in their molten state? Sodium. Sodium and more reactive metals we can say, okay.
Calcium.
So if we have to choose two, so we will reject this least reactive. Okay. Calcium chloride we will take, and we will take sodium chloride. Got it? So 1 and 2. B.
Okay, sir.
Next.
10.
Which of the following properties is not generally exhibited by ionic compound? Ionic compounds have high melting point, solubility in water. Yes, they are soluble. Electrical conductivity in the solid state. No. Ionic compound do not conduct electricity in solid state. So this is the property that they don't show. Okay, have my high melting point, yes. Electrical conductivity in molten state, yes. Because ionic compounds, when they are dissolved in water, then they will gives you the ions. Okay, so if it is added to water, then they will produce ions. And if you melt them, then they will also get separated and will form like this. Okay. So ions need to be, we need free ions to conduct electricity, and ions are easily available when they are in molten or in aqueous state. Why they don't conduct electricity in solid state? Because they are tightly bonded with strong electrostatic force. Strong electrostatic force. Okay. Which is not means a large amount of energy is being required to overcome this force. So they don't conduct it because they are tightly bonded together. Okay. They are not having free ions and they are in solid state. Okay. Movable ions. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Next one.
Done, sir.
Yes, yours. Abdullah, 16.
So 12 and 23 and 36.
12. Metals are refined by using different methods. Which of the following metals are refined by electrolytic refining? Let copper. And copper, if it is copper, then we will use less reactive metals we use for the electrolytic refining. So copper and gold.
Oh,
Because
I thought
sodium,
sodium and potassium.
no. Sodium, when you are added electrolytic refining, it is talking. The copper we generally studied. Why you use
Yeah,
sodium?
I was confused within. I was confused between electrolysis and electrolysis refining.
So if you have to choose the two, then it will be less reactive metals are being used. Okay. And we have written this one in the note that more the precious metals like copper, gold, platinums are being refined by this electrolytic refining method. Because we add Na, if you think that Na is added to water for the aqueous. Okay. So we take the salt NaCl and then it will react with the water. You know, Na cannot be added to water because it is very reactive. So how the electrolysis reaction will going to take place? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next. 12.
So 23.
23. Electrolytic cells consist of positively charged cathode.
Positively charged cathode and negatively charged anode, right? I did this one.
No. They don't positively charged cathode is negatively charged and anode is positively
Okay.
charged. So negatively charged anode, no, it is also not correct. Positively charged anode, yes, and negatively charged cathode, yes. Third and fourth. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next one.
So 36, the last one.
36, the last one. This will be the correct option. Anode should be positively charged, cathode should be negatively charged. and the from anode it should move towards cathode. Okay, the answer will start moving. So C will be the correct option. Why it is incorrect? Because it is negatively charged anode. No, it is not negatively charged anode. Why it is incorrect? Because it is cathode here and anode here. It is having same sign, but the anode mud is nearer the cathode. No, it is not. Anode mud should lie here, near between below the anode. Okay, and why it is so? Because it is anode cathode, but here the negatively charged ions are positively charged ions are moving from negative to positive. How it is possible that positive charged particle move towards positive rod? Not is not possible. So that's why it is also incorrect. Only the C option is correct. Got it?
Okay, sir.
You were having
Yes,
doubt
sir.
in 16.
Yeah, 16th one. So I did not write the answer for that.
If copper is kept in open air, it slowly loses its shining, okay, below the surface and gains the green
Sir, I
coating.
thought of writing the copper oxide D1, but I thought like copper oxide turns black when it reacts with oxygen with
So
air.
when it comes in the content, it will gives you copper carbonate dot copper hydroxide.
Yes, okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
so it will be copper carbonate. Is there anyone else?
And when it is heated, it turns copper oxide, right? Black
Yeah,
coating.
when you heat it, it will turn copper oxide that is black in color.
Okay, sir.
Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No. So mainly Madhya is having doubt in chemical reactions of means water. Okay, means when metals react with water, generally she is having doubt in that one, and you are having doubt in the electrolytic refining. So let's talk about that one. Just give me a minute. Yeah, here's a questions that metals when react with metals, they are the you just look at this, Madhya, concentrate here, please. Okay, you are having doubt in this portion only. If you have honestly been told me that you have only these 5 questions incorrect, okay, and that's why this is the way that I can know that in which topic you are having problem. So okay,
Yes.
so this is the water when react with water, it will gives you metal oxide. It will gives you metal oxide or metal hydroxide and water. Okay, actually they form first, they all form metal oxide, but some metal oxides are very reactive that they further react with the water and form hydroxide. Like the metal oxide of sodium, potassium, and calcium and magnesium, they are so reactive that they further react with the water. Like sodium and react with water, it will gives you sodium oxide plus hydrogen gas. Okay, metals when it is general reaction, metals when react with water, it will gives you hydrogen gas. It may form metal oxide and hydroxide. These 4 metals are metal oxides are so reactive that we didn't get this one. We directly get this one because this will further react with the water molecules that are present in the reaction and will gives you NaOH. So the overall reaction that we are going to get here is sodium and react with water. It will gives you NaOH plus hydrogen gas. Got it?
Yes,
Got
sir.
it? So this is very reactive. So the overall reaction for the 4 metal is that for the 4 potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium is that potassium react with water. It will gives you potassium hydroxide, KOH plus what? Plus hydrogen gas. It will not gives you K2O because K2O will be formed in intermediate, but it further react with water and form this one. So you will not be able to get K2O. It is the intermediate part. Okay. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, that This reaction is so exothermic that the hydrogen gas produced in this reaction catch the fire. Okay, because the heat liberated out is so large that it can burn the hydrogen gas produced. Okay, that's why when you kept sodium in water, it produced blast, because the heat is very large amount of heat is produced, and those bubbles that are hydrogen gas bubbles that are produced, they catch fire. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Next is similarly this sodium, this calcium when react with water, it will form calcium oxide and hydrogen gas in the step 1. But this calcium oxide will further react with water and will give you calcium hydroxide. So overall, again, this calcium when react with water will give you calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Similar for the magnesium also, that they will give you magnesium hydroxide. And this react calcium react with cold water, and this magnesium react with hot water. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Next is this aluminium when react with water, it react with steam. Here, that's why I've written gas. Okay, aluminium when react with water, water should be in steam. And this aluminium oxide is not so reactive that it will further react with the steam to form aluminium hydroxide. So these metals are going to form only oxide. Aluminium when react with water, it will give you iron aluminium oxide plus hydrogen gas. Got it? Got it? It react with steam. Iron should be red hot while reacting with water. And so please write down all the equations that are being written here. Write it down, and when you're done, please let me know. You
Okay,
also
sir.
will note it down. Noted?
No, sir. 1 minute.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Note it down that it is very important that iron when react with water, that will form Fe3O4. Okay, Fe3O4, not Fe2O3 or FeO. You understood? You understood? Keep in mind this one. This was in the reaction also. It was given in the hint. So in the MCQ also. Next one is, if the question comes in examination that why do calcium float on the surface of the water? Because you know that calciums when react with water, it start producing the hydrogen gas. Okay. And this hydrogen gas get stick with the surface of the calcium and provide an upward force, an upward thrust. You know that bubbles produce high buoyancy. They provide the upthrust. The similar case for this one is that when you know that calcium is very reactive metal. Instead, that magnesium also react with water, and it form magnesium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. But you know, in the reactivity series, we have calcium above this one and magnesium is below this one. So because of the less reactivity, instead you know that calcium has mass 14, magnesium has mass only 24. But still, calcium is very reactive that it can produce sufficient amount of hydrogen that it can help it to float. Can magnesium also float, but not on the surface, just try to float on the bottom of the bottom. You understood? So why do calcium float on the surface of the water? The calcium float on the surface of the water because calcium, when comes in the contact with the water molecule, it produces the hydrogen gas. This gas bubble stick with the surface of the water with the calcium and provide it upthrust, which make it float. Moreover, you have to write it that calcium is very reactive, that it can provide. First of all, it is you know that other metals are also reactive. Magnesiums, why do magnesium do not float on the top of the surface? Because magnesium is not providing that much amount of hydrogen that is being required to make it float, because it is less reactive. So it react with it react in fact with hot water, and you know hot water decreases the density of the water also. So more the calcium is reactive metals which provide which react with water spontaneously and provide sufficient hydrogen gas which make it to float. Now you understood both? I'm asking you the questions. You understood?
Yes, sir.
You, Abdullah, you there? Abdullah,
Yes, sir.
you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
So these are the that you need to write it down, that magnesium, calcium, note it down, that magnesium, okay, sorry, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, okay, sodium, calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, okay, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium. These react with cold as well as ice, okay, chilled. This react with cold water, this react with hot water, hot water, okay, and they all form hydroxide. Like it will form potassium hydroxide, it will form sodium hydroxide, it will form magnesium calcium hydroxide, okay, and this will form magnesium hydroxide. They all going to form the hydroxide. But the other metals like zinc when react with zinc, aluminium and iron, it react with hot with steam. They react with steam and it will form zinc oxide, it will form Al2O3 and it will form Fe3O4. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way that the type of question, so many types of questions are going to come on in this topic that you need to practice. We'll give you this one on them. Okay. So that's all for today. We'll meet you in the next one. Thanks for joining. Okay.
Yes, sir. So